the
What it
HVAC
does now?
guy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I heard what he was saying, and I was like, oh, this guy knows what he's talking about. Because I
yeah.
actually did take an electricity one class before, but
Okay.
I don't really, I've never worked in trades or anything like that. But I do
Right.
have like, I mean, like, what is it? What's the word? Like knowledge of, like, just, like how to, I guess, put like a wiring together and all that.
Got
Um,
you.
and like I heard what Zach was saying about how like, I mean, I never really was like part of an apprenticeship or anything, but like again, really all you need is either like some sort of, training, or like even better if you have like the experience of it.
Yeah.
Because I mean, like I never, owned. I actually did at one point had a dream of owning my own business, but I
It's the
think
best thing. It's the best thing. That's probably like one of the best things that ever happened in my life. So let me tell you this. So I used to be a truck driver for like 3 years. So I've done
okay,
like OTR. I've done like the locals as well. We've made a ton of money in the COVID time. But I know that the market right now is really bad. We used to make a lot of money weekly because most of the people didn't want to work in the COVID time. So it was a good period. We made good money. A lot of us just invested their money in a business or bought houses or just went back to their country. But the thing is, for me, I went local, and it was like I can't keep doing this for the rest of my life. I'm gonna, I wanna have a family. I want to be close to my kids. I want to be
bro.
with with my with my wife and all of that. But and then what I did, I had skills that I brought from Morocco in the trades. So I just started like my own business, and I became a general contractor. And then
Yeah,
I worked on myself. I got some courses. I meet like some people who really helped me a lot. And then I opened my business, and it's been like 2 years now, and it's been like probably the best thing I've ever done because now we make a lot of money, and then I travel a lot. I have like few people who works with me. I have my own business. I am like ranked here the first in my county in Washington State, and it's just been like a dream. You really like won't like understand the feeling when you get to wake up whenever you want, travel whenever you want, and just basically fire whatever you want. So
yeah.
when I started doing this, I just I said like this is the American dream. This is what I've always dreamed. And
It's every American's dream. That's all I was gonna say.
exactly. And yeah, it was the best thing ever. Yeah, because I know there is a lot of businesses they don't make it in the first year. But what I'm trying to tell you here is that I've been there. I went to do the tracking, but it's not something you really want to get into it because at some point in your life, when you get to the 50s, you won't have time or energy to go back and learn trades. So I know you look like such a young guy.
I
If
know.
I were you, I would probably just apply for some electrician jobs or plumber jobs or whatever that it's gonna take. I don't know the how it works in your state, but I would say like just go for
Yeah.
it. It's worth it. Trust me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. I mean, like, here's what I always thought, bro. I mean, like, I always was under the impression that, like, trucking, whether it's over the road or local, or whether you're driving a big ass tractor trailer or like a box truck, it's, it's easier and pays more than like being an electrician or an HVAC guy or,
Yeah.
plumber, because I've always, and it's not as, it
Yeah,
probably
it
is.
looks
Yeah.
yeah. It's cool to be driving these big machines and driving from a state to a state, but let me tell you this, the things that they don't tell you. Do you know that
Okay.
most of the times you're just going to be sitting or sleeping on the exits, just peeing on or pissing on the on bottle of water, and then basically not going to see your family for like 2 weeks or a month, and
A
then you're
month.
going to end up getting paid like $2,000 a week, where you can make that doing HVAC like probably in 2 or 3 days, or probably like a day if you're that good. But it is, yeah, and on top of that, it's just not healthy. You are killing yourself, but you don't see that.
Yeah, I mean, like, I've always been under the impression, you know what career I've always wanted to have, and I still do, but I'm trying to get, like, the experience for, or work
Yeah.
experience or whatever? Firefighter.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
How tall are you? Are you
You know
like
how tall I
7
am?
feet? Are you
6'6".
7 feet?
Six
Six what?
six. Six
Oh,
six.
that's crazy. And
Yeah.
how old are you again?
You really want to know?
Yeah.
21.
What the fuck? Are you serious? And you want to do trucking?
Yeah, you can. They're guys around
Bro,
my
you're
age.
21. You're such a baby, man. Like seriously, you gotta go for trades, man. By 25 or 27, you're probably gonna be making like 4 times or what the truck driver is making now.
Yeah.
Bro, you're such a young guy. Don't waste it. Like, don't. I'm
Oh my God.
serious.
And now some people that I know are watching me who follow me.
Well, whoever is watching you, please tell this guy don't jump into the trucking. It's not something you would probably be happy in 10 years from now. You can go ask the people who's been there for 40 years. They'll tell you the truth.
Yeah, I mean, like it sounds interesting. I'll just say that. And like, I mean, I've always, I thought about owning my own business at one point, but at this time, currently, I mean, well, it does pay a lot, and it's everybody's dream and all that. It's a lot of work,
Yeah, exactly.
work that takes you away from all your family and all that.
That's true. But yeah, I mean, as I said, it was such a pleasure talking to you, man. I usually just let people like for a couple of minutes, so I can, let the others speak as well. It was really
Thank
nice
you.
nice talking to you. You can follow me. You can also send me a message. I will get back to you once we finish, and then we can talk more. If you have any questions about the trades or trucking or anything, we can talk more. As I said, I live in Washington State. I've been there in your state so many times.
Northern Virginia, yes.
Yeah, feel free to text me, or if you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, I guess.
Sorry. In case you're wondering why I'm laughing, I'm seeing a lot of these comments from people. Everybody feels bad for me now.
No, you're fine, man. Trust me, Moroccan people are
Yes, sir.
such a beautiful people. They really care. They love, they love making funs and jokes and stuff like that. But they are really good people. So if you get any messages, just get back to them. They are really cool and they just want to say hi to you. So you're good. But anyway,
Everybody's
Peter, it was nice to meet you, man. I'll talk to you later, okay?
wish we had more time, but we'll talk later, okay?
For sure. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you,
Take care.
brother.
All right, bye bye.
Were you
اوكي اسمحوا لنا الاخوان، ما كنحملش نهضر بالانجليزيه معكم، ولكن صدمني انا براسي، مشات لي الانجليزيه براسي في الاول، بقيت ما عرفتش واش مغربي مطلع عليا واش ميريكاني. ما يمكنش يكون مغربي ما يكونش ميريكاني. المهم ضخت ونعتذر معكم. راه ما كان، انا ماشي من عادتي كنهضر معكم بالانجليزيه، كنهضر معكم بالدارجه باش تفهموني نفهمكم. اوكي، سو نطلعوا معنا بالاخ هذا. دابا حتى المراكنه ولينا كنطلعوهم نعطيوهم النصائح. صافي كملت، طلعت صحاب دونتيست، طلعت جميع الحريفيه من المغرب طلعتهم معايا في اللايف. دابا الستاج تاع الوحش ولاو كيطلعوا عندي الميريكانيين، كان تا هما انا كنصحهم. وتخيل معايا الصاد باش تولي دير محتوى غير بالدارجه ويطلعوا عندك مراكنه تنصحهم وهما ولاد البلاد. صافي العالميه الخوت في بلادهم وكنصحوهم. وساعات شي كيبقى دابا ختمناها دابا اخوان، جبنا التمام. اوكي سو اخ ما عندوش كونيكسيون، سو نطلعوا معنا الدري الاخر. طلع معنا سميتها دا. طلع اخويا عزيز، مرحبا بك. You got a good and clear accent Sylvia. شكرا خويا افقي. راه كنعديو انجليزيه على قد الحال وصافي. كنسلكو صافي. كيفاش البلان ديال لو كوب دو موند خويا؟ راه ما كاين لا كوب دو موند لا والو. راه كاين داكشي بحال دابا ما غاديش تبدل والو. طلع خويا مول المعقوده اللي كيبيعها في امريكا. مرحبا بك. اسره معنا ياسين من استراليا. ياسين استراليا، مرحبا بك اخويا العزيز، تطلع معنا. اشرف الدري اللي ديال هذا الدري هذا خاصو يطلع. عثمان المعقوده، تسنى اخويا العزيز. اشرف الدري اللي في امريكا، شو الدري اللي دابا